Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Hidayah, and in this video I would like to convey about what is the differences between assessment and a test. So assessment is a process of gathering and organizing quantitative and qualitative data into an interpretable form to have a basis for a judgment or decision making. Assessment is an ongoing process in the learning, and the purpose of assessment is to collect information. And a test is a part of the assessment. A test is a tool for collecting data, and it occurs at a predetermined time to showing the ability or performance of the students. The instrument of a test is they are a blueprint, question, answer key, and assessment rubrics. The purpose of a test is to measure. So the differences between assessment and a test, if assessment is used to gather data or information, while a test is a tool for gathering data or information. So basically, is the test is a part of assessment. Okay, now I will convey about what is the types of tests. There are 6 types of tests. The first is placement test. Uh, the purpose of a placement test is to place a person according to their level of skill and knowledge in a subject to place them in the appropriate course level. For example, language placement tests determine the level of language classes a student should attend. This test to measure abilities, and this test performed before entering the course. So before we entering the course, we have to do a placement test. Okay, for the second is diagnostic test. They are used to identify strength and weakness in a student knowledge and skill. And this test is much more specific than a placement test. The third is achievement test. This test measure how well students have learned the material presented in a specific course. Uh, there may be a pass or fail result. For example, is final exam, midterms, quiz, and these tests conducted after the learning process. So after the learning process and we have to do this test. The fourth is proficiency test. This test determine if a person has achieved mastery in specific area or knowledge or skill, often in a language. The purpose of this test is to determine basic or global ability or to measure general language proficiency. The result can be used for placement tests. For example, is TOEFL. The fifth is language aptitude test. The purpose of this test is to measure an individual ability to learn foreign language or to assess someone's success in learning a foreign language. The last is standardized tests. These are tests that are administered and scored in a consistent manner. They are designed to measure students' performance against a common standard. And the purpose of this test is to map the abilities of students within a region. Okay, and then there are a nature of the test. There are two nature of the test. The first is high stake test and low stake test. The high stake test, the result have a significant psychological impact on the child. For example, is proficiency tests and other standardized tests. And these tests require more preparation. And for low stake tests, the results do not significantly affect the child's psychology. For example, include typical achievement tests or regular classroom tests. Okay, I think that's enough from me. uh, Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.